Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love spicy stuff and I also like sweetness, so I decided to put together this honey chili chicken. You can do it in 30 minutes. Great midweek meal. You're gonna love it, so let me walk you through it. So what I've got here are a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I'm just going to cut them in half just to thin them out. Then go ahead and cut them into strips. Place them into a mixing bowl. Season our chicken up with some salt. And you can just kind of do this to taste. And my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. Crack an egg in. Let's get cracking here. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then I'm going to give our chicken a massage just until everything is well combined and the chicken's well coated. Chickens like massages. Okay, what I've got here is some oil. I've heated up to about 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. And I'm going to place the chicken in and fry it up in batches, just until it's a nice golden brown. And of course, you're going to want to rotate these every few minutes. After about 6 minutes, our chicken is nicely browned. So I'm just going to remove it and set it aside on a wire rack. And you can use a plate too, lined with a paper towel. Now our chicken is beautifully brown. We're going to make our sauce by adding some oil to a preheated pan, putting in 3 cloves of chopped garlic. And I'm just going to saute this until that wonderful fragrance fills the air. Now after a couple of minutes, a 1/4 cup of chili sauce. And we're just going to give this a stir around. 1/4 cup of honey. 1/4 cup of water. Give this a stir and bring it to a boil. Next up, I'm going to place the chicken back in. And of course, stir this until the chicken is well coated. Kill the heat, and we're going to go ahead and plate this up. So I've got to serve this up beside a bed of steaming hot rice. Garnish it up with a handful of sesame seeds. Then last but not least, some green onions. Doesn't this look gorgeous? And there you have it, our honey chili chicken, and you can do this in 30 minutes. Great midweek meal. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Oh, this is so good, guys. It has its sweet spiciness, perfect with rice. Oh, and you can do this in 30 minutes, like I said before. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.